Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can change the skin tone of your face in CapCut PC. So add in your video, go to retouch and go to the face section. I'm just waiting for it to load a little bit. Then you're going to enable retouch here, and as you can see, there's the skin tone mode. It is a pro feature, but you can here select the skin tones. You can kind of see the difference here if I zoom in a little bit. You can adjust the warmth to it as well, and the opacity of the skin tone that you want to add on. Maybe you want to make yourself a little bit tanner or a little bit whiter, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.